1.63. So TDS rate was the same on both pour overs.
But there's a difference in taste.
Hi, Ryan here. Today I'm going to compare 5 pours against 3 pours. I'm going to use these Colombian beans from Onyx Coffee, roasted on May 8th. Rinse the paper with hot water. This is great tool. I already ground the beans, 20 grams. Both of them will have 300 grams of water. 60 grams. Okay, it's 100 grams. 160, total 120. Okay, it's done. So 300 grams on each. If you can tell the difference, either me or my wife, let's find out. This one was 5 pour, this one was 3 pour. My wife is sleeping right now, so I'm going to wake her up and have her taste. Okay. Can you tell the difference? Oh, which one's better? This one? Really? She likes the 3 pour better than 5 pours, but to be honest, I don't really taste the difference. She's so surprised. She's like, oh, you can't tell the difference? Oh my god. But I don't. I mean, to be honest, there's no significant difference.
No.
Huh? She says there's a significant difference, but oh, interesting. She still says the 3 pour is better. By the way, this test was suggested by Cool J, so shout out to you, Cool J. Thank you very much, and see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.